Welcome to another Deanos Adventures, and today I'm in my own town and we've come back for an event that was cancelled a month ago for fireworks display, the Bonfire Night. So it's called the Shrewsbury Showground Firecracker this time round. We've just watched the first fireworks display and I've got to admit I was pretty impressed with that. That was for the kids, but it was still a really good display. So we got about an hour to kill now before the next firework display. So we got a nice little Funfair here with us today. We've got a new Superstar, which I've never been on before, a new Miami, which I've not been on before, and a Matterhorn, which I've not been on before. So we're going to get on those. Stokes' Sizzler, my favourite Sizzler, is here as well. I was on it yesterday, I'm going to be on it again today. So we're going to go for a quick wander around and show you what's here, and then we're going to get riding. It's not very big. We've got about 4 or 5 adult rides and a load of kids stuff for the kids. So, but there's enough. There's some nice little kids rides here, some nice little flashy rides. Not many people seem interested in the Miami tonight. I've seen that go round once tonight since I've been here. But it's not that busy, to be honest. It's pretty quiet. It's getting very typical of Shrewsbury, this is. We've got to change our ways. But I get it, this event isn't the cheapest of events. This one costs £10 to get in. Right, let's get on something. All aboard the Superstar. We're sitting here ready to go. Looks amazing sat here. Start you up when we're ready to go. And we're off. We've started. I don't know if wearing wellies on a ride like this is the right idea, but I'll clamp my feet together. Whoa, it's feeling good. Forcing you back into the seat. Come here. Yeah, Superstar, wicked ride. Here we go. Here we go then. Up, down, around, around. Whoa! Over the top. Oh. 360 upside down. Sensations off this ride are amazing. Whoa, here we go again. Whoa, whoa. What's the same? Feel that power. Whoa. Woo. I'm glad that didn't disappoint. That was wicked. Woo. On to the next ride. So all aboard the Matterhorn, this is a new one for me. I'm really looking forward to this. We've got quite a few people on this, so it's not going to be long before we're ready to go. So see you in a mo. And we've started. Well, I hope we started.
I'm focused now. I know what's going on in your head.
Yeah, I think we're pretty fully loaded.
Get ready, let's go, let's go. She stays a cheater, so here we are. Like somebody said, don't you trust him?
First gear, feel it picking up just slowly as it goes round. Definitely getting faster. It looked quite fast from the outside.
Okay, the riders, I'm gonna see smiles in the air, come on, hands up.
Every time you go round, it goes up and up.
Yes, everybody, get ready, let's go, let's go.
Here we go. Whoa, throws you right up. Woo. Whoa. Out we go. Whoa. All over the place. Woo.
Okay, riders, you wanna go faster? Come on, I wanna see the hands in the air, wanna go faster?
Come on, of course we wanna go faster!
Okay, riders, get ready, let's do this here. Here we go, hold on.
Turbo with a little bit more! Woo. Here we go then! Whoa! Love it! I don't know if it went any faster when he said he was going to go faster, but I think he just switched the lights off. Fun though! It's different sensations, it's up, down, well, left to right, up, down. Whoa! Good ride cycle though, can't complain. Whoa. Slowing down. Slowing down messes my head up more than going fast. A great ride. Matterhorn on to the next one. So guess what, we're on the Stokes Sizzler. Yay, get to do it 2 days on the ramp. Amazing machine. I was fortunate to ride this yesterday at Shrewsbury Street Fair. So to have it 2 days on the trot, 2 different places, amazing. Check out the vlog from yesterday at Shrewsbury Street Fair, some wicked rides. 3 of my favourite rides in one spot. Feel the power, slide into the end of the seat, love it! Oh, good bit of music, Boston Styles, Pretty Green Eyes, takes you back to the good old days. Just bobbing along. Here we go again, feel the power building.
The back, hold tight, here we go, let's go.
There we go, there's the power, here she goes. David, amazing.
Okay, hold tight, here we go.
Are we going to go faster again? Yay! Woo! Here we go! All done time! Woo! Love it! Yes, it's a good cycle! Way! Love it! Oh, we're gonna go again! Yay! Oh, running well tonight! Loads better than yesterday's cycle! Oh. Such an amazing Sizzler, this is, I love it! Oh. If you ever come across this Sizzler out on your travels, it may look old, it does at the moment, but get on it, it's an amazing Sizzler. Right, on to the next ride. All aboard to Miami. Here we go. Woohoo! Over shoulder restraint. And we go back the other way. Whoa! It's good when the restraints ain't too tight. Give you a bit of movement, that's nice. Looking down the ride. That's got the air time. Whoa! Up out the seat. Got an unnecessary groove on the seat that's not very pleasant, but nice ride. Which way are we going to go? Left or right? We're up in the air.
Oh, no.
Oh, we got a countdown. Here we go. Woo! Whoa! It's quite a good Miami. Actually, it's quite a good one. Airtime both ways. What more can you ask for? Woo! Good cycle too. And back we go. We ain't stopping yet. Woo! That was a wicked ride. Loved it. Let's see where we're going next. Last ride of the night. The superstar, Leigh Danter superstar, looks amazing. We've got to admit, there's only a few people on here, which is a shame, but let's do it. Last ride. Such amazing machines. These are our favourite rides of the year. Superstar. that pretty much wraps it up here at Shrewsbury Showground Firecracker. It's been a nice event. Not a very good turnout, unfortunately, which I don't know if that's beginning to turn into a bit of a Shrewsbury thing, or if it's the wrong time of the year, because it is just before Christmas, or, you know, £10 to get in is a lot of money. So it's been nice to ride all the rides on the fair. The Leigh Danter's Superstar looks amazing. The Matterhorn was really good. Nice cycle on the Miami, and lovely to get on the Stokes Sizzler for last ride of the year. I did get to speak to the guys who run it, and it is going in for refurb at the end of the year, so we look forward to seeing it next year. So we've got one more Funfair vlog to do before the end of the year, which is Stoke Winter Wonderland. So keep your eyes out for that. Please subscribe if you haven't done already. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next adventure. Take care, everyone. Bye bye bye.